Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to do affiliate marketing on Warriorplus using my lead gen secrets. So I'm going to be showing you the offers which I have promoted from Warriorplus using my lead gen secrets. I've got sales from that. I can recommend you that you can promote this offer if you're using my lead gen secrets program, and these are the results which I have got promoting these offers on Warriorplus. This is one Profit Alliance, then that Twitix from Gino. This is another offer which is called Cartel from Brendan Mays, and I've got some sales over here from my lead gen secrets. So in this video, basically I'm going to be sharing with you how to do affiliate marketing on Warriorplus using my lead gen secrets. And if you're a complete newbie, if you don't have that kind of budget, if you have a budget around $50 to $100 per month, then probably my lead gen secrets is the easiest way that you can get started with affiliate marketing to get some sales and to get the ball rolling. Okay, so a lot of you guys would be asking, what is basically my lead gen secrets? Well, it's a program where you would get 100 USA, Canada top tier leads every single day, 100 USA real-time leads. So I'm going to be showing you the program. Register on this program over here like maybe 2 years ago. So this is my lead gen secrets, and I'm getting like 200 leads because when you refer just one person to my lead gen secrets, so instead of 100 leads, these guys are going to be giving you 200 USA leads. So if you go to my lead section, and today's date is what, 4th of Feb, I've got these 200 leads over here. And if I click on this browse leads, you would see all the real-time leads which I have got from my lead gen secrets. Okay, so you would get the IP address, the city name, state name, postal code, country, and the partner. So basically they have got some partners over there who run traffic for them, and they provide them traffic. So they have categorized in the form of like first partner, second partner, third partner. Okay, so I'm getting 200 leads every single day, and there is an affiliate program to promote this my lead gen secrets also, which is absolutely phenomenal because you can see over here, you would get, if you refer just one person on the level 1, you would get $5 per month. Now this is a subscription model based program where there is a $30 every single month fee, but hold on, I'm going to be telling you the benefit of that thing. Okay, and first let me show you the commissions which I have got in my lead gen secrets. So you can see over here, these RC means recurring commissions. So I'm getting recurring commissions on monthly basis, my friend. There are a lot of people out there on my program, on my downline for a lot of months. Okay, and I'm getting all of that in recurring commissions over here. All right, so you can get paid by 2 ways. You can either get paid by PayPal or Bitcoin, whatever you prefer. I prefer Bitcoin, but it's up to you. If you want to use PayPal, you can use PayPal. So what is basically my lead gen secret is you get 100 leads per day. If you refer just one person to MLGS, you will get 200 US leads subscribers every day. You would get an inbuilt email autoresponder, which is something I am absolutely excited about. Okay, so because there are 2 major problems in affiliate marketing is getting high quality tier 1 traffic and a solution or a software to send email to that traffic. All right, which is a very big problem in these days. Okay, so these guys are solving these 2 major problems over here. Okay, so inbuilt email autoresponder where you can send one email every single day. You can promote any offer. You can promote a Warriorplus offer. If you can promote a ClickBank offer, you can promote a CP offer, whatever offer you want, you can promote it. ClickBank and Warriorplus offers converts really well with MLGS. And I've got a video on how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing using my lead gen secrets. The link is in the description, so you can check it out. Also, the $30 a month fee is there to have subscription on my lead gen secrets. So you have to pay $30 per month. But understand, my friend, for $1 a day, you get 100 USA based leads, real leads. You get to email those leads absolutely free. You can email one time every 24 hours, and then trust me, your leads grow up. So 100 leads every single day. If you refer one person, you get 200 leads. That is like 6,000 leads a month. Trust me, it's insane. And to enroll this, there's a $30 one-time setup fee and $30 per month. That is $60 just one time. If you want to get email swipes, which I highly recommend, and I have got this email swipe over here, master email swipe. This is going to be the first OTO, which is going to be for just $29, and I would highly recommend it because it's going to give you 30 high quality email swipe, which are perfect for this kind of leads, and they get a really serious high click rate, open rate. All right, so you don't have to do anything. You just click on this, import an email. That's it. You can then select the lead. So if I click on this select leads, you can see over here the leads going to be selected to send out emails. All right, so I have got 121,000 leads over here. So all the leads are selected. There is my subject line over here, which I have selected. There's the text. Is everything is done with my name over here. I would choose perfect time because that is going to send an email at that specific time when the subscribers have just registered. But in my opinion, it's a perfect time to send out emails. Now I'm going to go to Warriorplus and choose whatever offer I want to promote. But in my opinion, I would highly recommend these guys offer because I have got sales. I have promoted a lot of offers. Some offers didn't convert, some offers do convert, and these are the selected ones offer which are converted for me. So I can show you the proof. If you can see over here, the first cartel one, I can show you. Just wait for this. Is Profit Alliance. So this is okay, this is cartel. You can see over here MLGS one sale, MLGS August one sale. All right, so this is converting. Then we've got some TwitX from Gino, it is converting. Profit Alliance from Michael Chen is converting, and Brian Winter's offer Mula Meme is also converting with my lead gen secret. So here are the list of offers which I would recommend. Either way, you can try out your own offers also, but I would recommend if you don't want to test things, you can just promote this offer. So how you can get this is basically the vendor ID. All right, you're going to go to Warriorplus. In the vendor name section, you can type in this ID and click on search. So it will load up all the offers from Brendan Mays over here. So if you go down, you can find a cartel over here. This is the offer. I've been approved for that. If you're not approved to promote this offer, you can see my video in the description where I have shared how to get offer approval for Warriorplus. Okay, so I'm going to be just copying this link, and trust me, you don't want to use any click tracking with my lead gen secrets. Trust me, it's not allowed, but it's going to just mess things all up. Okay, so please don't use any tracking, click magic of that kind of thing. Just use directly the affiliate link. You can paste it directly over here, or you can just highlight it over here and insert the link in here. That's it. /MLGS, today's date 4th Feb, so that we can track it. If we get sale on this day, we would come to know that okay, this link was sent on that specific day. So I have got link for MLGS 20th Jan email, the first link in the email I've got sale. Okay, so in this way I get to know through which email I've got sale. Okay, so click on OK. You can basically do bold, you can color it so that it looks really great. All right, that's it. That's it. The email is set up, your leads are selected. Just need to preview. Now I cannot preview over here because today's email I have already sent, but then you will be able to preview and send it. Okay, so this is the way you can send a Warriorplus offer to my lead gen secrets, and a lot of time I've got sales. Now, for those people who are just on a tight budget, I would recommend this program because it's just like $30 every single month subscription. But with $30, you get an autoresponder done for you, which is going to allow you to send 200,000 leads. You cannot import any leads in this autoresponder. You would get 100 leads every single day. And if you refer just one person, you're going to be getting 200 leads every single day. So you can see over here, I'm emailing every single day. So today I just email this My Lead Gen Secrets offer. I always put in my email so that if anybody has question, they can email me the question. I put my image. It's really important to put your image. To be honest, it really helps you to connect with your subscribers, my friend. Your subscribers feel comfortable that they can email me, they can ask me questions, and I always tell them I would reply to you within 12 to 24 hours. Make sure to reply them because it will really add that trust, and the conversions are going to be absolutely skyrocketing. Okay, so make sure to take advantage of it. So today I promoted My Lead Gen Secrets. Yesterday I promoted this Warriorplus offer. So every single day I promote different offers. So you can try it out, my friend. The link is in the description, the first line to join My Lead Gen Secrets. If you joined through my link, I'm going to be also giving you email swipes which are perfect for ClickBank offers, which have got me sales, my friend. So when you join My Lead Gen Secrets using my link, trust me, that is going to be a lot more beneficial because I'm going to be giving you done for you email swipes with the offer link of ClickBank offers, which offer to promote that I've got sales. And you can message me when you joined under me. Message me on Facebook. My Facebook link is given below in the description. I'm going to be verifying your user ID, and then I'm going to be sending you the email swipes. All right. So this is the simplest way to start making some sales with Warriorplus offer, my friend. Okay. You can see over here for our profit lines, I've made like 2 sales over here. Okay. So it's not going to make you a shitload of money, but spending $30 and making like $50 to $100 every single month and scaling it up, it's going to be really profitable. Just getting started. Okay, if you are an advanced marketer, then you can just add it as another income stream to your business. All right, but it's great to start affiliate marketing on Warriorplus using My Lead Gen Secrets. So link is in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and see you in the next video with some awesome topic about affiliate marketing. See you the next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.